hike. We're in the tunnel of the Pali Highway.
Right. 8 to 4. Oh, it's just open. There's people.
There, Red Rock. There's a lot of people here.
Well, there's people playing golf today.
No, they close it. There's no more. They
In
close
600 feet, you'll arrive at 45 to
They're supposed
550
to close
feet
it.
in
It
LA
says
Road.
close. Oh, they have opened.
People playing golf.
Ah, alright. It's yeah, right there. It says it starts on the end of the golf course, the parking lot, I mean. So it's gonna be here until we see a water tank. Yeah. Yeah, it's here. What? So we're supposed to go left right here. Just the path. So it's a lot of down trees, so watch your step.
Okay, that is way.
It's only one way.
There's one here, there's one there.
No, there's not a way. You gotta watch your head and
I like the twisty.
yeah, it's a good picture. Don't worry about snakes. I think there's a big tree over there. I think we're almost there, love. Yeah, the big arrow now. It's not the green arrow anymore. It's the blue arrow now. We're here already. Really quick, short hike. That's only like 10 minutes. See, make sure you keep an eye on this arrow. It's a big arrow now. Before, according to people, they didn't have this big arrow. They only have that arrow there. Now they added this one because people keep going straight there. That's the wrong way. You have to go this way. You want to climb over or you want to go under? You okay? Slow steps. Hey, wait, no, we haven't been bitten yet, which is good. There's no mosquito. There's no mosquito. There's no mosquitoes. There's a little river over here. No choice but to step on it. Two of them. I can hear the water now. Can you hear it? So we're getting close and it's getting muddy. You hear the water? I guess I'm stepping on the thing. That's why I brought slipper with me. I'm gonna change slipper later. I can hear it. Can you hear it? Wow, we're the only ones here. I don't care if my shoe get wet or my socks get wet. I got slipper anyway. Watch your step. Ooh, pretty. Nice. Almost lit. Very nice. You can't swim.